Hello, my name is Christina Williams, and I am a 25-year-old accounts payable for a car dealership in Southern Kentucky. I have studied hospitality management and American Sign Language interpreting in college. While I have worked in restaurants in the past and have loved every minute of it, even on the worst days with bad tippers and rude customers, I love being in the restaurant. It's where I'm supposed to be. I do want to go to culinary school, and once I figured that out, I knew I had to start saving. Earliest memories of cooking was making breakfast for my dad. I knew he liked cereal, and I knew he liked scrambled eggs. I made him crunchy scrambled eggs. Scrambled up the eggs, and I put in the cereal. As far as I know, he ate every bite. I love being in the kitchen, always have, and I love feeding people. I have friends over periodically, and I like to cook. I like to see the joy on their faces when they eat. My passion for cooking probably stems from my love of food. I'm the person at the restaurant when the waiters are bringing food by, my eye is chasing it. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I want to go to a culinary school so that I can learn how to use these herbs and ingredients and spices correctly and what flavors actually do mesh well together. The lump in my throat, the pounding in my chest, and the passion in my heart are the reasons why I will attend culinary school. The opportunity to be able to do that soon and in New York City would be. I truly hope that you enjoy my version of orange chicken with a cheesy roasted potato and slaw. So I've got the potatoes here, just baby reds. They've been boiled and cooled. So now I'm ready to just chop them up into bite-sized pieces. I've got all my potatoes chopped up, and I've spread them out on a baking dish, or a cookie sheet in this case. On the cookie sheet, before I put them on, I drizzled some chili oil. And now I'm going to sprinkle a couple pinches of herb salt, which is just some garlic, salt, basil, a little bit of thyme. And then I'm going to do a few pinches of cayenne pepper. I've also chopped up some shallots two shallots and 1 clove of garlic. I've also got some grated smoky bacon cheese here. So if you don't, obviously you can, sometimes I put bacon bits on this, but this cheddar cheese has a great smoky flavor to it, and then you've got the bacon as well. So this is about a half of a block. And then I'm going to drizzle just some little regular oil, if I could get it to come out, and pat it with a few dots of butter. I just let it cook until it's nice and crisp and brown. Okay, now I'm making my chicken. Chicken's been marinated overnight in a little bit of orange juice, some honey, maple syrup, drizzle of soy sauce, and I put a little red pepper flakes in it because my dad likes things a little bit spicy, so to kind of counteract with the sweet. Now these have been browned in some butter and a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to make the orange honey kind of glaze by using a half of an orange, juice of an orange, then 2 tablespoons of honey, a few little sprinkles or pinches of red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper, and I have a half a teaspoon of brown sugar. I'm going to put in the center here. Now I'm going to just stir this all together and get the glaze going. All right, here's our finished dish. Orange chicken with an orange honey glaze, cheesy roasted potatoes, and a slaw with a mayonnaise, mustard, and orange dressing. I truly hope that you will grant me the opportunity to continue to learn and grow and live out my dream of attending culinary school so that I may one day own my own restaurant and have my own kitchen.